Here's why your house is not a good investment. Just about everyone says that the house you live in is an investment. Pretty much getting a mortgage and spending the next 30 years paying it off is a good idea and a wise way to put your money to work. But I hate to break it to you. Your house is not an investment. The mortgage you're paying every month is a waste of money. Here's why. If all you do with that house is live in it, you shouldn't be calling it an investment. That house is not an investment. It's a giant liability. An investment must meet two criteria. It must appreciate in value and it must produce an income. The house you live in, we can assume, will appreciate in value. For real estate, that's usually a given. So you met one criteria for investment. When it comes to appreciation, it only really matters if you sell your home for more than you bought it for. The second criteria is where many homeowners who think their home is an investment fall short. Your home doesn't produce an income. Now let me clarify further what I mean by income. The income must match or produce more than the cost of the mortgage you're paying. Airbnb or rental income need to at least pay off your mortgage. If you rent one room for $500 per month, but your mortgage is $2,500 per month, that's not an investment. That's still a liability. Sure, it'll help, but don't call it an investment. When it comes to real estate, you need to think long term. Put yourself in a mindset where you will never sell your property. Even if you do plan to sell someday, just plan to never sell it. Whatever appreciation it has doesn't matter. You can borrow against the appreciated value, but you're still borrowing money. If you don't know what to do with that extra cash, there's no point in borrowing unnecessarily. All that matters is the income it generates. If you have a property that generates $4,000 per month in rent, and the mortgage is only $2,500 per month, you're receiving $1,500 per month in income. Obviously, this is wildly simplified, but you get the idea. This goes for any investment. The appreciation is nice, but it shouldn't mean a thing to you. Gold is a great example of what people think an investment is. Gold is nothing but a shiny object with some useful applications. Gold appreciates, but that's it. Gold doesn't produce an income. Gold is not an investment. Your house, if you live in it and use its resources, is not an investment either. It's a liability. Unless you produce an income from that house to at least match your expenses, you didn't buy an investment. Next time you're looking to buy a house, don't call it an investment unless you treat it like one. If you enjoyed this video, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to my channel. As always, take care of your money.